Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro. For this you have to first open your Google browser, then type here CapCut.com. So here it is. So now in this first link over here, so this site is totally free. If you don't have any CapCut uh, account, so you have to sign up, or you have, then please sign in to CapCut website. Now when you land on this page, go for new, create new video. Now okay, wait for a second. Now go to blank canvas and now go to stock videos. Now you can see there is an option as YouTube intro, so tap on it and you have so many ready intro over here. You can choose any one from here. So okay, it's loading, still loading, wait for it. Okay, I'll choose this one. Now you can choose your logo, but I'll add here text. Okay, I'll cut it as my choice. You can cut it as your choice. Okay, then text. Oh, text here. Add any kind of text at your choice. So I'll type here initial solution. Okay, so okay, and I'll okay, now it's good. Bold it, and you can change your font from here, and you can change size from here. Uh-oh, this is not good. Okay, I'll choose this one, and you can edit your font size from here. I'll choose 18 size, then edit this size with it. Okay, so if you don't still don't subscribe to our channel, then please go for it and hit the bell icon for more videos. Okay, so I'll play it. Okay, yeah, so it's ready. You can edit anything from here. You can add your stickers here, any kind of stickers if you like, and change, add filters. Okay, I'll choose this one, it here. Okay, if I play again it. Okay, play it. So it's good. So guys, this is how you can Okay, I'll just I'll edit again it. Now play it again. Okay. Okay, it's now better. So guys, this is how you can make a YouTube intro from CapCut. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.